Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then install Printful. Do that now. Sign into Shopify and Printful using the same credentials if possible, because this reduces misconfigurations. Once done, open Shopify's Apps panel, search Printful and click Install. Authorize the connection when prompted. You need to allow product, order, and shipping permissions so Printful can push products and pull orders. This initial link is critical because it sets API access. Without proper permissions, syncs will fail or be partial. You now create products in Printful and configure how they appear in Shopify. Choose a product template, upload art, pick sizes and colors, then generate mockups. This ensures correct visuals in your store. Make sure to set Shopify SKUs and match Printful variants so inventory and fulfillment are consistent. Once you set retail prices and shipping templates, link fulfillment preferences. Automatic fulfillment save time. These settings determine how orders route to Printful and what customers see. So you finish by pushing products and verifying the live Shopify listings. Open a product page to confirm images, sizes, and prices display correctly. Then place a test order, use a paid or draft order, and watch it appear in your Printful dashboard. This confirms the fulfillment pipeline. If something goes wrong, check app permissions first, then inspect SKU mismatches and variant names, and finally reauthorize the app connection. That troubleshooting order fixes most problems quickly and gets your store fulfilling orders reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.